ni gogati abare kurase kaunti ya Nyamira barokane kubolia bare barase birogo kone kubunango ikirane bara magendera bo gochia sa menyi benseme yane mono bali bakatuchukura kolengana na bwatani aho ni go bagendera gotse abuno bokorri na magendera me kaunti ya Nyamira ni go barokane korna maiga asabona bara iba boli we kone kubunango kongo ibara magendero asenseme yo ya rokane kwelindolia ukona somo yiga bwa matanga yo mokol kanchese ya machiri chemboye yo murigo yubono gotoka se bunge ya burabu imeye kaunti ya Nyamira ase bunge ya Kitutuma saba ase constituency na boigo ya burabu ni gobono barokana komochia gati yogo sie kwa kubonjure chinsemo ao na boigo oburajubo bimeye kaunti ya Nyamira oyo koligie kirgo kyobo senator se county Adams moja na boigo no monchere Robinas Makana ni go amochiria serikali kunatokumanyigwa na Joba Maangi
Gayeke gorigia jensi gokora ukurobekana ase chinsemo ao imense ityo ya Kenya ingane abere kwirera serikali gokora amauncherio na gotegerera ebirero by'aba Kenya
issues jiribabwate it will be very difficult ko solutions nenda be very ready na baroba ma solutions jiribaroche kirachi gokonye kera abantu abamba somete nende mbabwate solutions
seems that tara understand specifically ngibatagete. That is why to any country maandamano for the last 2-3 weeks that has resulted to loss of life. Na bali bonsi family chiri asiri abamwabo togo chitaipole sana na inde nyasaye nanyare ko babwatis
ni gobono boigo abakenya babiri bagosabwa anene mono abasabe kegoli ekyo kwene kinga nkomurekera bare obokoreri asti serikali chichi county
was our governor. As the Gen Z is addressing the issue at the national level, very soon they are coming down to the county level because this is the devolution. Devolution it is functions that were devolved to ensure service delivery in the county level.
Vakora uno monchorelia Robinas Makana kurwa Kitutuma saba na boigo mu engineer Adams Mochenu oyo berega komerera ekerokyo bo senator e county ya Nyamira nigo babere bakomochia obokoreri ase serikali e county ya Nyamira
sanjirure gochie county ndobona te komanya aseki chibese chitaratumeka gokora ndoroche mangana talibuya nto is a wake up call I'm trying to raise to our leaders banyare ko igoramatu egere baigwa bananchi nkipatagete gabakorera bananchi gasi
ensemo yendemba mochi serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira asogotatuma egari omolero chingaki eduka yokonia electronics yabage kujia ase chiro ya kebirigo.
The firefighters, the fire extinguisher, in fact they did not come at all. So meaning that is one of the department ya Nyamira county. So it gives us indication that a problem nene sana because such cases if continues to happen na kia bantu baito Nyamira audio survive wasego konya kurwe semerere kabireyo
boigomba mocha serikali ya kaunti Nyamira asogo sinyogo ikirania obokoreri obuya anene mono ase chichiro engana abere kwerera egati chichiro gosiekwa.
As I speak bonega chichiro chaito chia closely down. And as a county, we expect revenue. We don't, or I don't understand, Nakia County, they go to realize revenue when such markets are closed and there are revenue income for the county.
Mwe chichiro cheto chia siekiro na bolete county ya Nyamira ekananse buya ekole proper town planning. Egera chichiro cheto chibe to up standard.
Na ine county yaito. Igochi MCA, ensure your functions are well done, more rosa, and they understand the majority of you supported the Gen Z what they were doing, you stood with no to the bill, igo mubasa korara, tikatobuaterane, na inde ntobabuati semorara na mwaremeirwe. We want our county Nyamira to move forward.
Chinga kyokorobekana gwa jenzi kwa bakorekana ase chinsemo ao ono nigo saba kwa bero kuruwe ochiase abasae kwene kinga nkomurekera bare boigo abarayibonsi kurwa serikali nene wikati serikali kechi county kwene kinga aba Kenya nkonyora bare obokoreri obuya yinko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.